Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we will discuss how to establish connection between Azure Data Lake Gen2 and Azure Databricks. In my previous video, I have explained that typical data engineering project architecture. In that, my source is a ADLS Gen2, okay, Gen2, and that business logic implementation we will do in Azure Databricks. So all the files available in the ADLS Gen2, we need to load into Databricks to perform the transformations, right? So we need to establish the connection between ADLS Gen2 and the Databricks. Directly, you cannot access. So there are three ways to create the connection. That is we called as a mount point creation. Three ways we can create the mount point. So three methods using Azure service principle, SaaS tokens, account key. So in real time, we'll use using service principle only 99%. SaaS tokens and account key, there are two methods are there, but we are not going to use those methods. The reason I will explain later. Okay. So to establish, we will in this video we will see using account key how to create a mount point. Okay. So this is if you open this database documentation, this is the syntax actually. This is the configuration syntax. And this is the code spark.conf sector where we have to give storage account. Okay. Scope name storage account access key. Scope we will create in Databricks. Storage account access key will copy from the ADLS Gen2. And dbutils.secret this is the command to read the values from the Azure keyword. Okay. Using this command, we can read these keys from the which are available in the Azure keyword. So in the real time, all the passwords and confidential information will not expose to the external world, the notebooks. Rather, we will create Azure keyword. Will mention all the passwords there. Okay. So what are the required things we need here? Scope. So first, what we'll do is we'll copy will copy uh, storage account access keys where storage account access will be there is. So I will go to the this is my storage account. Okay, where you will get that access keys is. Okay, see left side here access keys. You can see key 1, key 2, anything if is fine. You can copy whichever you need. I will copy this show and copy. This is the key I am going to use. This is the access key, and I will key directly. I cannot use. Okay, I have to add this in a keyword Azure keyword. So creating Azure keyword. Already I have. Okay, I'll go there. Mahir AKV I have created. So if you want to add any keys, go to secrets, generate and import name AKV access. Okay. Now secret value in place of value, copy the access key which you have copied. Okay, I have copied already. I have pasted already. Okay, now create. So it is created now. So we'll go to that. This is the command, right? We'll go here and we paste that key here, AKB access keys. Okay. Next, what we need? We need a scope. Scope we can create from the Azure Databricks only. What I can see workspace. Open a new tab. See, scope, how to create scope means here in this URL, as Databricks URL, you have to go, you have to backspace fill this hash symbol. Okay. After hash, you have to type secret create scope. Okay. Secrets slash create scope. You have to mention this and you have to click on, you have to press enter. Okay. Now it will ask scope name. Okay. ADB scope. ADB scope. Okay. I will give creator only. Manage access, manage principal. It is asking, it is for you or for you. If you want to give for all users, okay, that you can mention all users. For this demonstration, I am only the user, so I will mention creator only. So it is asking DNS name of Azure Key Vault. Go there, Azure Key Vault, okay, and overview. Okay, go to properties. Okay. Azure AKV properties, you go URL, this URL, you copy this and copy this, paste here. Sorry. Again go there. Again it is asking resource ID, copy resource ID, paste here. Okay. Then ADB scope, right? Copy this. Create. Okay. What it is saying? Secret scope has been added. ADB scope has been added. Okay. Now what we can do is here come under place that replace that scope keyword with this name. Okay. Now what we can do is, so cluster is ready. I have created some simple cluster. Okay. Just will print welcome to ADB. Okay. That is working or not. We'll see. Hello. Okay. So before reading that, before executing this configuration, I will try to read that file which is available in a container. So how to read using Python, this copy this, okay, and go there, paste. First, we'll try with this method only. Container name. What is the our container? Container. Container is a output container. We'll mention name. Our container name is output container. Output storage account name. What is our storage account name? This one. Okay. So what is the path to data? That what file we have? Let me check output. emp.csv. We have emp dot, okay, csv. Let me execute now. What it will say? Path. See here. What is it saying? Invalid configuration detected. Okay. So check currently we have not established any connection to read the files available in a container. Okay, so our access keys are ready. Now we'll execute this piece of code. Oh no 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 no! We need to cancel this. Storage account name we need to mention, right? Okay. Now it is uh, executed. We have created that mount point. Now we'll try to read that. Okay. So delta, but there is no transaction log present. Okay. Okay. Incompatible file format is detected. Or data, read data format. CSV. Okay. Okay. It is not identified that at least we can do show. Okay. Data coming. So I'm able to read file from using that access keys. But the thing is, what is the drawback is for one content, so storage account level, you have provided access. Okay. Once you create this kind of mount point, you can read all the containers in that storage account. Okay. So one more storage container we have in that. Okay. So one more container is DF, DF, DF. Okay. In that I have some file. Okay. If I don't know name, I will put a star. DF, DEPT I will keep. Okay. Now see. Now, so another container file also I am able to read. So this is not valid, right? That's why in real time we will use service principle. So using one mount point connection, if you do this type of connection, in storage account level, you are providing access to Databricks. But in the real time, many projects data will be available in ADLS Gen2. So we have to give access to particular project container only to the developer, right? So for example, I'm working in project A. The container belongs to project A is container 1. So you have to provide container level access to that for me. So now we should not provide all the access to the all the containers to the developers. They can easily see the other relevant data also, right? They can read, right? So that is not correct. So in real time, we will use uh, service principle. Okay, these are the three ways, right? This is the one way using access keys. Remaining two ways using source tokens, service principle. We'll see in some other videos.